Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Alicia. Welcome back to our channel. Y'all, I picked up this new unit from CynosureHair.com. I wanted a long jet black bust down vacation hair unit, and I think that's what I got. We're gonna check it out right now. If you guys are interested in this unit or any discount codes, it's gonna be linked in the description box down below. But you guys, this is what I picked up from them. This is their pre-cut 26-inch 220% density lace front unit. You guys can see it has 13 by 4 inches of parting space. It also has the elastic band, the combs on the inside, and the adjustable strap, so you can wear it gluelessly. And this is how the unit looks directly out of the box. This is a pre-cut ready to wear unit. It is 26 inches long. I wanted something really simple that I can just throw on and go, but it's apparent to me that we're gonna have to work our magic with this, but I knew that I really didn't want to do a lot of work. So y'all, we're gonna do the easiest customizing method possible. I did tweeze a bit of that hairline. Of course, you don't have to, but for me, I wanted to thin it out just a bit, so that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, so this unit did have a box hump and some creases in the wig. So what we're going to do is take the BioSilk Silk Therapy Serum and apply just a teeny tiny bit to the hair. And we're just going to take the flat iron and just work our way through the unit. So laying your unit is quite simple. I know most of you guys like to lay your unit on your head. For me, I just don't understand the chemistry with that. I have to do it on a mannequin head. Even after I wore the unit, I have to style the hair on a mannequin head. I don't know why, but I just do. But I opted for a middle part. We're gonna do a bust down with this unit. Just a really simple middle part. Long hair, laid edges. You guys know the routine. I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this hair. Okay, so you guys can see this unit does feature their pre-cut lace, which goes 13 inches ear to ear and 4 inches back, and it is cut in a certain way so that it's supposed to look natural. But as we are examining the hair on, I don't really like that lace like that. I feel like it needs to be cut back just a little bit more, or it should have been cut in a zigzag motion. So what I'm gonna do here is just trim that extra bit of lace off. So you guys can see it. The lace is transparent, and transparent lace comes off white on brown skin. So this is the easiest fix. I mean, you can use foundation, but I love to use this Ebin New York lace tinted mousse, and I apply it on top of the lace. Y'all, it gets really messy though. So yeah, it does get messy, but I apply a thin layer on top of the lace and then use a melting band so that the lace can kind of adhere down, because I didn't use any glues or sprays or anything. And during this time, I'm just going to kind of fix up the hair, touch it up, you know, make sure there's no flyaways, you know, do what I have to do.
My love is like a damn storm. My life full of fire.
So the hairline still needs a little bit of work, so I applied a bit more of that mousse and some powder. And honestly, I think this hairline needs some baby hairs. I know you guys don't like it, but I mean, do you want to wear it like this? Probably not. So we're going to add just a little bit of baby hairs. I took the littlest amount of hair out and now I'm trimming it down. I'm going to take some of my regular mousse and apply it to those little pieces and just style it the way that I want to wear the unit. So is it giving vacation hair? Is it giving bust down or not? Let me know. But y'all, I do have some pros and cons about this unit. Again, I do love the fact that it is very much customizable. It's very versatile. You can change this wig up in a quickness. But I don't like the tracks on the back. You guys can kind of see how the hair is kind of bulging out. That's not my hair and that's not the wig. It's actually the tracks on the inside. It's kind of like bulging out, so you can kind of see it, if that makes any sense. But other than that, y'all, the hair is cute. Again, this is 26 inches long, 220% density, jet black, 13 by 4 inches of parting space, even though that part looks extra long. The hairline is easy to customize. All you have to do is just add some tint and cut in some baby hairs. I feel like the hair has a nice healthy shine. It's very soft, lots of movement. Y'all, Cynosure hair, you got to get your hands on this one. Let me know what you guys think of this one and I'll catch you later. Bye guys.